Let me set the scene here. It's 2001, and somewhere in there, I meet Amanda in kindergarten back at Canterbury in Greendale. We learned a lot together, and boy, have we lived. In this sisterhood, there are 3 things I know to be true to the core. 1, Amanda has the best sense of humor of anybody that I know. 2, Amanda is a fierce friend. And 3, Amanda can be picky. And Shawn, that's where you come in.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Shawn, thank you for welcoming me and the rest of the crew. I know it can be a lot sometimes, but I'm so dang happy for the both of you. I can't wait to see where this adventure goes.
All right, and we're ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Dear Amanda, I can't believe this day and moment is officially here. I'm struggling to put pen to paper because so many memories, thoughts, and feelings are going through my mind. The memories include the initial dates stargazing along the lakeside and deciding that those 3 stars in the night sky are ours. The endless date nights to Aberdeen, Bass Bay, breweries, wineries, and other restaurants. I can't wait to watch, help, and be by your side as we progress in our careers, become parents one day, and continue adventuring. I feel very calm and at ease about today. I knew a long time ago that this day would come to us. Amanda, you are my love, my drive, my support, and my best friend.
Dear Shawn, the day that I've dreamed about is finally here. It is no surprise to me that you are the one I get to marry. I didn't always know how or when we would get married, but I always knew it would be you. I remember you asked me on one of our first dates if I believe every person only has one soulmate that they are meant to find in life. I didn't know how I was so confident in my answer back then, but I must have known that I was speaking to my future husband and the one true soulmate. Being loved by you is an amazing feeling, and I can't believe I get to be loved by you for the rest of our days. I want you to know that as long as I'm around, you will never have to walk alone, and you will never have to guess if you're loved or enough.
I promise to always remember this day and these feelings today. I promise to listen and communicate. I promise to make you happy. I love you more than anything and will always show you that. See you soon, my love.
I'm so proud of the man that you are today and every day. Today is the day that we will reminisce about as our hair turns gray. We'll be surrounded by our beautiful family that we've made. And even as my memories fade, I promise to never forget this day. I can't wait to walk down the aisle towards you today and start our best adventure yet. I love you, babes.